Welcome back to Katie Outdoors in the kitchen. Today it's 32 degrees outside here in Texas. So we're not going out there today because it's too cold. We're not used to this temperature. We don't have the clothes for it. So today I'm going to do a little something in the kitchen. So I'm going to make some chicken Alfredo and I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay, first thing we're going to do today, got my Croc-Pot out. It's I don't know, it's a Croc-Pot. Got the big box store, starts with a W, ends with Mark. I'm not going to say their name because I can't stand them. But I'm going to put my little liner in here. So this helps to make it a lot easier when it comes time for cleanup. And then what we're going to do, okay, and get our elbows. We're going to put those in there. Mix them up. That's a 1 pound box of elbows. And put that in there. Then we're going to put in, some chicken. I got this ready grilled and ready chicken breast. So I'm just going to pour that in there. Open up. Look at that. Perfect. Grilled and ready to eat. Put that in there. Then let's see, what do we want to put next? How about we put some classic Alfredo sauce, 16-ounce jar, and I've got 2 of them to put in there. Pour that in there, just right around on top. And the price of everything today, I'm not leaving any of that in the jar. So, well, I'll leave some in there, but not too much. I'm gonna get it all out. I paid for it, I'm gonna get it. Hopefully. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, do the next jar. Put that one in there. Take my spatula and get in there and get it all out. For the most part. Okay, that's pretty good, pretty clean jar. Stick that back in the jar to hold it. And then we're going to put in some broccoli. Steamed fresh broccoli cuts. These are, I didn't get the baby cuts, I guess. These are what I had in the freezer, so we're going to cut these open and see what we're looking at here. Might have to break them down a little bit. That'll probably be alright. Put those in there. Spread those around. Well, I probably should have broken them down. That's alright, no big deal. Let me get my cup for my water measurement here. My water, yeah, my water. I'm putting water in it. Not really, I'm going to put this chicken stock in there. This is what's going to cook the noodles, actually. So, I say put a cup of this in. So let's put us a cup in there. Did you know you pour it that way so it doesn't spill, right? You all know that, right? Well, now you do. Pour that in there right on top. Let that work down a little bit. I'm going to put a little more in there because this is America. I do what I want. Alright. That cap out of there. Put that back and put it in the fridge. So, and then the last thing I need to get is some cheese. Okay, I got a little bit of garlic here I'm going to add in. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon. Okay, that's a big old thing. It's a lot of garlic. Okay, it's alright. Let's spread it out a little bit though. Put those in there for... I'll get this little bit of cheese here. I think I'm supposed to put like almost all of it. 3 cups, I think it said. So, look, there's 1 cup. There's 2 cups. Oh, I love me some mozzarella cheese, that's for sure. And, man, I hope they said 3 cups. That's a lot of cheese, though. Alright, 3 cups. And a little more because, okay. So, let's get some black pepper here. We're gonna put a little bit of that in there. That looks like a little bit, doesn't it? How's that? Is that good? A little more? Alright. That looks good. Now, the lid here for, put that on there. And what'd they say? A couple hours? Let's go on high. 4 hours. It's now 5 o'clock. So at 7:30 we're gonna check it. Hopefully 8:30 we'll be eating it. Time will tell. Stand by. Okay. Here we are. It's been several hours. It's like 8 o'clock now. And oh, look at this. Time to stir it up. Let me get a utensil here. We use a wooden fork looking. Oh man, it smells good. Pasta noodles. Oh, that smells good. All right. Kind of stuck to the bag a little bit. A little hot too. Don't know why it's so hot. Well, here it is. Looks good, smells good. Gonna eat on this for a couple days. Alright. Ooh, cheesy. Look at that. Let me get a fork. Okay, here we go. Broccoli's kind of hard. That's pretty good. Pretty good. And that broccoli, let me see what's wrong. Hey, what's wrong with it? It's broccoli. Nothing's wrong with it. Try to get a little piece out of there. Ooh, cheesy. Mmm. Very good. Very good. So I'm gonna unplug it and let it rest for about 5 or 10 minutes. And get a plate full, a bowl full, and enjoy it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a big thumbs up if you don't mind. Hit like and subscribe on my channel. It certainly helps me out. And again, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Be safe. Don't drink and drive. God bless you.